Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of our room here at the Courtyard by Marriott, Charlotte City Center. I had to slow it down so I could say it right. All right, so when you first walk in, all right, this is what you will see. To your immediate left, you will have your bathroom area. So you have your separate mirror and vanity from your toilet. So you can see you have your sink, your towel bar, a little trash can there, and then behind that is your closet. And as you see, plenty of closet space, extra blankets, sheets, and a pillow, and that is because there is a pull-out couch. Also, you have an iron and an ironing board and plenty of hangers to hang your things and plenty of floor space. Then you have your bathroom area, and as you can see, you have a nice shower. You do have to step in, so be just a tad bit careful. Then you have your shower head. They do give you some of their North 39 degrees shower products. So you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Nice. All right, and then you have your toilet area and a towel rack. Okay, and after you come out, you'll see you'll have a mirror right here. You have a little dresser area. Nice. Your trash can with the recycling settings. Then you have a desk here, and this desk does pull out. So you can make your mobile workstation if you need. Okay. Then it also has plugs back here, USB. As you can see, there's a little light area. If you turn on the light, the main light switch, it should come on. You have your TV here. What size? Big. Okay. Then you have your microwave, and you don't see those too often. A microwave. So that means when you overeat while you're in Charlotte, you can bring it back and put it in your refrigerator. Okay, nice, cool mini fridge. All right, you have a coffee station. As you can see, you got some coffee, the rainforest, and you see these a lot in the Marriott hotels. Some glasses here, ice bucket. There's places to charge things. This is our view. I mean, it's not that fancy, but it's nice. It's a nice hotel, so I'm not complaining. And then we have BP. Say hello to the folks.
Hello.
You have a lamp here. As you can see, just turn it on with the little flick of the switch. More charging in the side of the couch, and this couch does extend out into a sofa bed. You got a lounge area. As you can see, BP is demonstrating how to lounge. And then you have a little mini side table there. And then the bed. Of course, you have your lamps on the side. A telephone, charging stations. Switch the lamps. A little nightstand there. And then it mirrors on the other side, except for instead of a phone, you actually have your radio with the charger ports on the inside. More chargers here. Little mirror. I don't know why this mirror is here. It's kind of awkward that this mirror is right here, but it is. And then another lamp. So this is a pan of the room with BP in it. And that is it. So thank you for joining our quick room tour here at the Courtyard by Marriott, Charlotte City Center. I can't believe I did it twice.